Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this super cute cactus toy that we got from my little one. So this is great because it is a learning toy and one that we've really enjoyed. As you can see, it has little holes here. And on the inside, there are little flowers that you put into the holes. So they are numbered, so you can play it many different ways. You can have them count and put them in, match the numbers. If they are advanced, we like to use it as a parent-led activity for his speech. So we will hold these and then say a sound and then have him say the sound and then he gets to put it in. So there are so many ways you can use them. There's 2 different faces on it too. It's so super cute. And I just love that the storage is in here. I love a toy that is versatile, and this definitely does that for us. So definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.